Ladies and gentlemen, we would now welcome our speaker, Dr. Bahir Shafi, Marketing and Development, J Oil Refining Company. He is a seasoned marketing and development professional who is here from J Oil Refining Company, and today he's going to touch upon changing dynamics in bitumen market and new setup in Bandar Abbas operations in the south. So let's welcome him with a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Bahir Shafi.
Good time, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of J Oil Company, allow me to extend warm welcome to you and thanks very much 𝐈𝐥 and 𝐈𝐴 conference organizer for this event and providing us with this time. The purpose of this presentation is the J Oil Refining Company infrastructures in southern port of Iran description and the extendability based on the new project. As you are all aware, the J Oil Company is honored the largest bitumen production unit in the Middle East. The annual production capacity is over 2.2 million metric tons per year. We honor the largest bulk terminal in Iran and production the various type of bitumen in according to international standard based on the original bitumen such as viscosity grade, performance grade, pen grade, and PMB and customized grade, and bitumen products such as cutback and emulsion. The more than 70% of our products are exported all of the world, such as Middle East, Asia, South Africa, and another country. As I said at the beginning, J Oil honored the largest bulk bitumen storage terminal in Iran, located in Bandar Abbas by a cube, 8 storage tank, a total capacity 24,000 metric tons, and a total annual capacity 500,000 metric tons. We have an exclusive berths for the loading 2 ships simultaneous. In recent year, aiming to develop the bitumen production and trade infrastructure to achieve the vision and goals, the J Oil Refining Company has defined and implemented large-scale project in the southern port of Iran. As seen in a picture, now commissioning the new site as a bitumen production and storage complex in Bandar Abbas. Is located Persian Gulf, a special economic zone, a production total capacity 600,000 metric tons per year, and the storage capacity 22,000 metric tons. Project implementation duration 22 months, and investment budget $10 million as an engineering, procurement, construction, all of them for commissioning this project. The main target of this project is the operational stability, develop a production and storage infrastructures, owning 10% of bitumen production capacity in Iran, increasing the market share and the variety of the delivery terms, increasing the ability to load large bulk ship, and controlling the competitive conditions of production and trade. High volume storage capacity for storing all kinds of bitumen, receiving direct feed by pipeline from Bandar Abbas oil refinery, and production by 2 methods, blowing and blending, as a special benefit of this project. Obtaining a license from the inactive defense organization due to a special contribution of project in the bitumen production in Iran. Taking an advantage of domestic technical capacity in engineering, design, supply, installation, and commissioning of projects. Designing incinerator equipment for the production unit by engineering experts of J Oil Company. Implementation of project with less deviation from the schedule due to many challenges such as corona pandemic, price fluctuation, and so on. For the infrastructure and facility for this site, equipped with 3 storage tanks for feed and modifier, a total capacity around to the 8,000 metric tons, and 4 storage tanks, a total capacity 14,000 metric tons. The production unit, as an air blowing method for production bitumen, equipped with reactor for 600 metric tons per day, and another equipped for bitumen production process. To assure consistency and quality of products, ownership, the quality control, and modern laboratory facility with the well-qualified personnel, controlling all of the stage of production from feed to final product, storage tank, and delivery terms, according to required standard tests such as ASTM, H2, BS, and EN. J bitumen has a high quality and its performance in the pavement is completely suitable. Low wax content product, less than 2%, as a high resistant in low and high temperature in performance. Low frost breaking point in product, as a high resistant in low temperature in performance. High softening point in the same penetration index, as a high performance in high temperature. And the low sulfur content is a reduction of pollutant as a hot mix asphalt process. And high quality of J company effective factor is the high technology of production process in the Bandar Abbas site, same as the floor technology, and the strict production control in according with the production process. Perfect producer for controlling the quality of feed production, storage tank, packing, and transportation. We're proud to announce we have a various certificate for this site. To obtain customer satisfaction, J Oil Company has a got ISO IEC 17025 standard to meet international laboratory accreditation cooperation ILAC criteria. In order to export the product to European country and area required in European standard, J has a got C certification. Obtaining the certificate of technical qualification of bitumen factory issued by research center subsidiaries of Road Ministry, and audit process to obtaining REACH certificate audit by ECHA, European Chemicals Agency, at the first in bitumen industry in the Middle East. The J market share in Bandar Abbas, increasing the purchase share vacuum bottom around to the 8% last 9-month period 2022 compared the similar period, and the increase the sales share of bulk bitumen in X-tank or FOB in Bandar Abbas around to the 4% in the last 9-month period 22 compare the similar period. J Oil have 3 ongoing projects for the developed infrastructure in southern ports of Iran. Export terminal for bitumen and related products, same as the largest bitumen storage tank in Bandar Abbas in Chabahar, located southeast of Iran. Project description is the supply, construction, installation, and commissioning, all of them. The total capacity 40,000 metric tons by 8 storage tanks. Implementation duration 24 months, and ship loading capacity up to 40,000 metric tons. Project progress 75%, and prediction of commissioning September 2023. And the next project is a bitumen production and storage complex same as the new Bandar Abbas plant in Imam Khomeini port, located in southeast of Iran. Production capacity around to the 700,000 metric tons per year, and the storage capacity 40,000 metric tons. Project progress 26%, and prediction of commissioning March 2024. And the increase to export ship loading volume, operating a new pipeline, access to jetty number 4 in Bandar Abbas Shahid Raja'i port, to able to loading the mega vessel up to 40,000 metric tons, as well as Imam port. Prediction of commissioning March 2023. J-Oil in 2024, after the commissioning of all the ongoing projects, the largest bitumen producer in the Middle East, more than 3 million metric tons per year. The owner, the largest bitumen export terminal in the Middle East, 40,000 metric tons. And the owner, the largest set of bitumen export terminal in Iran and the Middle East, around to the 65,000 metric tons. Thank you for your attention. We would like to invite to watch J News sites in Bandar Abbas project progress video clip. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Bahir Shafi. Thank you so much, Dr. Bahir Shafi, for your wonderful address. Ladies and gentlemen, he touched upon the ongoing projects at J Oil Refining Company. He also touched upon the new project outlook, project description, and J Advantage. Thank you so much, sir, for your session, for your wonderful talk. And